All right.
So we're going to demonstrate how to roll the dough for the sambusas.
Yep. The thing is that with our sambusas, the dough, we make it from scratch. What we do is, this is a dough that we have pre-mixed.
And what's in the dough?
Flour.
All your secrets, tell us.
Yep, no, I'll tell you this.
Okay.
Flour and water, that's it.
Oh, wow.
So, and you need it,
That's it?
as long as it's like a pizza dough, right?
Okay. No yeast, no
yeast,
butter,
no.
no salt.
Nothing.
Just flour and water.
Just flour and water.
Fair. Does this last for a while?
No,
Room temperature, what do you do?
Room temperature, we've never had refrigeration growing up, so the reality of it, it's like you make what, you need to not have a fridge. So all you do is basically water and flour. And in this case, we're actually, we're gonna cut it. Yeah, go ahead. So we're gonna cut it in about like, let's just do 2 or 3. Like make it like a ball.
So it's dewy, it's gooey,
Yep.
it's like Play-Doh.
Yeah, it's like a Play-Doh, yeah.
It's like gluten.
I'm actually gonna use the, let me grab that. Thank you.
Yes, Chef.
And if you could do that
Do
for
it
me.
too.
Yep. So we'll take
The thing I just learned to do.
yeah, we'll just, throw some flour in there so it doesn't get stuck, right?
Okay.
While you're doing that, I'll basically roll it.
And what kind of flour do you have? Is this cake flour, fancy flour?
Just a regular flour.
Just your store-bought
my store-bought flour. Yep.
Okay.
We didn't import this from back home, so.
And why are you doing this?
So that it doesn't get stuck.
Okay.
Yep.
I knew that.
No, you did? No.
Is there a technique to roll in?
Yeah, so that's a good size that you're doing.
Okay.
So what we'll do is, and let me actually roll it this way, and I'll put it here, it's all right. Let me wrap that again. So this is the second layer. So we're only so usually we do 5 of those on top of each other.
Okay.
So in this case right now, yep.
And are you making this daily? Are you freezing it?
Daily. You can't freeze them because they start to crack and it doesn't have any preservative. So we do it every single day.
This is why I don't run a restaurant.
So now,
Go
what
ahead.
we'll do is we'll throw some oil in there. Not so much, just a little.
Okay. What's
So
the
you
oil
could-
doing?
So that it helps the other dough to not stick together.
Aha.
Yep. Then we could take it. So what happens is we usually do it, like I said, in 5. So in this case, I'm only gonna show you guys doing it
Okay.
in 2s.
So you're doing layers. So it's
Layers of
oil,
it. Yep.
one dough until you get to 5.
Exactly, and then
Okay.
we could take this and connect them together so that we're gonna start rolling
And you're
it.
pinching the edges. Why?
Yeah, not so hard so that they don't open up. So what happens is we're gonna roll it to a thinner selves, which
This is a labor
it will
of
come
love.
like that. So now,
Yeah.
so what happens is, as you can see, it only looks, as one, right? We take this
Right.
and put it on the griddle about a 30-second on each side. So this is 5,
5.
as you can see. 1,
They're so thin.
2, 3,
Why 5 though?
4, 5. It's easier.
Okay.
So, at the same time, you're doing 5, so that means you already have 5 sambusas.
Got you.
And in this case, you're not actually, since you are actually cutting it into 4 pieces, so you get more. If you would have done it 1 or 2,
You'd be there all day.
You'd be there all day.
Okay.
Yep. So pretty much what happens, so.
And when it goes on the griddle, how are you filling it? What happens next?
Yes. So basically, what we'll do is take a flour and a little water as a glue.
Right.
So then as you guys can see it as is, right? The shape, we pretty much take it one end.
Whoa.
And we put the glue
Okay.
on here. You take the other end, you put a glue underneath there. Now you've created
A
this
pocket.
Yep.
Can I try that?
So keep it like this. Bring it all the way here.
Over.
Yep, perfect.
Glue.
Glue. Take
Over.
another over. Glue it.
Glue. Okay.
Grab it from here.
Uh-oh.
You get in there. You should not have any hole or any opening from anywhere.
Oh,
The
got
things
you.
that you don't want any oil to get in when you're frying it.
Got you.
And then once you have it this way and you put your filling, you clearly take it like this.
Whoa.
And then
So
while,
you fold it in?
Yep, you fold it in. And you do this. So now you have the shape.
Give or take.
Yep, give
What's
or
the
take.
give?
Yep. But the key is you got to make sure that everything is closed up. Yep.
Let's trade.
Why don't you get the real one? And that works out. Yeah.
Yahya, thank you so much. That's my first time folding a samosa or a sambosa or folding anything.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing.
I'll have to bring you in the kitchen, so.
The technique. I know this is super special to your family and to the restaurant. This is the first thing many folks order, so definitely thank you for sharing. And so just like on TV, ta-da! Can you talk us through what we have here?
Yeah, so we have a veggie sambusa, spinach, peas, carrots, potato, with our spices in it.
Okay.
Which is also, like I said, a vegan or vegetarian. And then in the other one, you have beef. So the beef has basically onions and all the hawajis.
Hawaji, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay.
And that's
I
it.
want to make sure they're okay.
Are you sure?
I want to make sure
You
they're
wanna
okay.
try it? All right.
Of course, yeah, I will.
All right.
Oh my God.
How's that?
I didn't practice this part.
Should I get the rest of them from the
Amazing.
bottom?
So the cumin, the spices, the warm spices are coming.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
That was delicious.
No, thank you.
Thank you so much.
No, I appreciate you.